This is an 64 GB iPad Mini 6. Let's open iPad and take out mainboard metal shield. Put plastic card and stencil under mainboard. Because back cover make heat dissipation fast, it's not good for soldering. Desolder 64 GB SSD NAND and clean pad. Planting tin ball on new 512 GB SSD NAND and solder it. Clean mainboard and assemble every parts back. Flash new iOS system with 3U tools. Successfully upgrade to 512 GB.